Hello students, I am Miss Thandore SS. Today we'll go for optical isomerism. Last time we have seen geometrical isomerism. So today we'll start with the optical isomerism, but before that you like, share and subscribe my channel if it is not subscribed yet. So in case of isomerism, optical isomerism, only the enantiomers can show the optical isomers there or optical isomerism. What are enantiomers? Enantiomers. Actually, these are the chiral compounds or asymmetric compounds. Chiral, or these are asymmetric compounds. And these are the compounds, enantiomers. These are the compounds having non-superimposable mirror images of each other. Mirror images of each other here. Non-superimposable, that means if you consider letter R, then mirror image of this letter is like this. So this is a non-superimposable. Non-superimposable in Marathi it is not मिळती जुळती असत नाही ते वेगळे असतात mirror images. So these are the non-superimposable. If you consider another letter M, then the images are superimposable. मिळती जुळती आहे ती एकमेकींशी आणि म्हणून these are the superimposable. These are non-superimposable. So in case of optical isomers, only the enantiomers show optical isomerism. That means the mirror images should be non-superimposable. We'll see now coordination number 4. So the complex is coordination complex or coordination compound in which coordination number is 4. Then I told you two types of geometries are possible. One is tetrahedral sp3 hybridization. Another one is a square planar dsp2 type of hybridization is there in case of square planar. Then in case of coordination number 4, these isomer or these complexes do not show the optical isomerism. Why? Because in tetrahedral geometry, if the complex is of M ABCD type, that means if all the 4 ligands are different, these are the asymmetrical or chiral, then in that case what happens? They are labial in nature. Labial, that means these are the unstable in nature, and that's why they do not show the optical isomerism. What about square planar? In case of square planar, if you consider the central metal atom and ligands, then these are lying in one plane only, and so they show the symmetry, they exist symmetry. And due to that, here in case of optical isomerism, non-symmetry is required, non-superimposable mirror images are required, and here the square planar structure shows exist symmetry in their compound, and so they do not show the optical isomerism. That or optical isomerism is rare in case of the coordination compound having coordination number 4 here. That means in case of tetrahedral or square planar geometry. Next is when coordination number is 6, then we'll see the optical isomerism only in octahedral complexes. When coordination number is 6, the geometry is octahedral, and hybridization is sp3d2 or it is d2sp3 hybridization. We'll take here one example of CR, then En thrice 3 minus. Coordination number is 6 because En, ethylene diamine is there, and ethylene diamine is your bidentate ligand. It donate two pairs of electrons for the bond formation, and wherever the ligand is didentate or polydentate, to find out coordination number you are supposed to count lone pair of electrons donated for the bond formation here. So in this case, coordination number is 6 as 3 En molecules are attached with the chromium. So geometry is octahedral, and hence Cr is at the center. Four bonds are, or four ligands at four corners of square planar. One is above the plane and the other one is below the plane. This is your Cr. Chromium at the center. Then En is there. So this is your En. Then En. Three molecules of ethylene diamine. So this. What is a mirror image of this? If then we'll show mirror image of this compound is this is your Cr. Then En, and En is there, ethylene diamine molecule. Then mirror image of these two are non-superimposable. Here in this case, the one ethylene diamine molecule is towards right hand side. In mirror image, it is towards the left hand side. That means the mirror images are non-superimposable. So one is your dextro-rotatory. It is denoted by positive sign. The other one is leo-rotatory, denoted by negative sign. Leo-rotatory, that means they rotate plane or plane polarized light either towards right hand side or in clockwise direction, and the leo-rotatory rotate plane or plane polarized light toward left hand side or in anti-clockwise direction. Then these are dextro and leo-rotatory, or these are denoted by either positive sign and negative sign in case of leo-rotatory compound. If you consider this compound, this complex, then this is a homoleptic. Homoleptic, that means having same type of ligand attached with the central metal atom. So homoleptic ligand can show, homoleptic having coordination number 6, they can show the optical isomers. One more thing is there, in case of geometrical isomers, all the monodentate ligands are present. Here in case of optical isomerism, the ligands may be bidentate also. We'll take one more example. In optical isomerism, that is, and the charge you can show 3 minus. I forgot to show charge here, or 3 minus, just to show half bracket and write charge there. That is also okay. We'll take one more example, that is CO, then Cl2, En2 positive. So here in this case again the coordination number 6, because for En, two pair of electrons, 2 En are there, so 2 2s are 4, and 2 chloride ions are also there, so it is 4 plus 2, 6. So number of lone pair of electrons donated for the bond formation is 6, and hence coordination number is 6 here. So I'll write here coordination number 6. Now we'll go for geometry. It is a, wherever coordination number is 6, geometry is octahedral. So show octahedral geometry. Now two ethylene diamine molecules are there. So these are ethylene diamine molecule. Here also ethylene diamine, and 2 Cl minus or chlorine also. And when they are present on opposite side, then in that case it is your This is your En, En, En. It is your heteroleptic complex. In this, both the identical groups are present on opposite side. So this is your trans isomer, and these are the mirror images of each other. So if you consider trans isomers, then the mirror images are superimposable. एक सारखे आहेत दोन्ही mirror images. So the trans isomers do not show the optical isomerism here, as they show the superimposable mirror images. We'll see the cis isomers also. Again, coordination number is 6. So geometry is your octahedral geometry. Then in this case, your Cl, or we'll write as, so it is easy to understand. Then this is your En, 2 molecules of En are there. This is also En. Here in this case, Cl, and this is En and En. So if you consider mirror images, these are the mirror images of each other. Then if you consider the mirror images, the isomerism is of cis type. This is also cis, this is also cis. But the mirror images are non-superimposable. Here in this case, first compound, suppose this is A, then in this compound your Cl groups are present towards the right hand side. Here in this compound it is present towards left hand side, and hence the images are non-superimposable. So they can show the optical isomers, and hence I'll write here cis isomer can show what? Optical isomerism. While in case of trans isomers do not show optical isomerism. I'll write with another ink. Trans isomers do not show optical isomerism. As their mirror images are superimposable. As their mirror images are superimposable. But in case of cis isomer, the mirror images are non-superimposable, and hence they cannot show the optical isomerism. But in case of cis isomerism, the images are non-superimposable, so they can show the optical isomerism here. So in case of optical isomerism, enantiomers having non-superimposable mirror image relationship or mirror images, they can show the geometrical isomerism. They can show the optical isomerism actually, and this optical isomerism is possible in octahedral complexes only having coordination number 6. They are homoleptic. Homoleptic can show also the optical isomerism. In heteroleptic complexes, they can show the geometrical isomerism also, but trans isomers cannot show the optical isomerism as their mirror images are superimposable. Only cis isomers can show the optical isomerism as their mirror images are non-superimposable. We'll take one more compound so that it is again much clear. We'll take here one compound of COCl, Cl, then En twice NH3 2 plus. Here also the coordination number is a 6 because 2 ethylene diamines are there. So 2 2s are 4, 5 and 6. So coordination number is a 6 and hence geometry is octahedral geometry. So we'll show here octahedral geometry. Out of that, 2 En groups are there. So these are 2 En group present on opposite side, and another 2 are present. Is NH3 is there and Cl. In between, central metal and cobalt is there. We'll see one more compound. This is your En. This is mirror images of each other, and one NH3 is above the plane and Cl is below the plane, mirror images. And as identical groups are opposite side, this is a transisomers. If you consider mirror images, these are the superimposable, so these are not optically active compounds. We'll see now another one, cis isomers, in which again CO, then one more is there. Or I'll write slight below here. CO is central metal atom. Then suppose these are the En present on the same side. En, another one is En, then one is NH3, another one is a Cl. Here if you consider mirror image of this, then this is your En. Here it is En. One is NH3, another one is a Cl. So if you consider mirror images of these two compounds, then this again these are non-superimposable mirror images, and hence they can show the optical isomerism here. So this is your cis isomers. This is also cis isomers. Identical groups are present on same side here. Ethylene diamine. These are the identical groups present on the same side. So these are the symmetrical cis compounds, and so they can show the optical isomerism, while trans are optically inactive compounds. I'll write here optically inactive, as their mirror images are superimposable. So this is about the optical isomerism. In case of optical isomerism, enantiomers, that means the compounds having non-superimposable mirror image relationship, they can show the optical isomerism there. In case of octahedral, only optical isomerism is possible, because wherever coordination number is a 4, the geometry is a tetrahedral and another one is a square planar. In case of square planar geometry, all the ligands and metal, all these are present in the same plane only, and they exist plane of symmetry. And for optical isomerism, non-symmetrical molecule or non-superimposable mirror images are required, and so square planar complex are not showing the optical isomerism here. That means optical isomerism is rare in the square planar complexes. What about tetrahedral? Tetrahedral can show, but if all the ligands are different, that means ABCD type of ligand complex is there. If all the ligands are different, then in that case these are labial in nature, that means these are unstable compound, and so they optical isomerism is rare in case of tetrahedral complexes also. So wherever coordination number 4, the optical isomerism is not possible or it is rare, only we are considering coordination number 6 where geometry is octahedral, and only they can show the optical isomerism. So here also in octahedral complexes, when these are homoleptic and having mirror non-superimposable mirror images, they can show the optical isomerism. One is a dextro, another one is a leo-rotatory. Dextro-rotatory rotate plane of PPL towards right hand side, while leo-rotatory rotate plane of PPL towards left hand side or towards anti-clockwise direction. In case of heteroleptic complexes, they can show the geometrical isomerism also. Heteroleptic complexes having coordination number 6, geometry is octahedral, they can show the optical isomerism also, but out of that trans isomers are optically inactive as their mirror images are superimposable. Only cis can show the optical isomerism as their mirror images are non superimposable mirror images. We'll see now the stereo isomerism once again, and then we'll go for structural isomerism. So far we have completed stereo isomerism in coordination compounds. In stereo isomerism, so far we have seen what? Two types of isomerism is there. One is a geometrical isomerism. In geometrical isomerism, there are two types, cis and trans. The cis and trans isomerism is possible only in square planar. Where coordination number is 4. The geometrical isomerism is not possible in homoleptic. Complexes. Why? Because all the ligands are of same types and they are having the same position. So these are not possible in homoleptic complex. Only in heteroleptic complex having coordination number 4, square planar can show the geometrical isomerism. Why? Because in tetrahedral complexes, the geometry or the location or the orientation of ligands are same with respect to each other. So tetrahedral do not show geometrical isomerism, only square planar. Square planar geometry is possible in coordination number 4. So only these complexes can show the geometrical isomerism. Homoleptic not shown geometrical isomerism, only heteroleptic can show the geometrical isomerism here. Next is what? When coordination number is 6, then geometry is octahedral. And this octahedral can show the geometrical isomerism, that means cis and trans isomerism. Here the type we have seen that MA4B2 type of complex we have seen, N plus. And the position of the ligand which is in smallest or number, that is taken into consideration. So the ligand which is small in number, when they are present on the same side, then it is a cis position. When they are present on opposite side, these are the trans position. That means here in case of octahedral complexes, when the position of smallest type of ligand is taken into consideration, and according to that we have to consider whether it is cis isomerism or trans isomerism. Then another type we have seen, that MA3B3 type of isomerism, N plus, and in this same number of ligands are present. So these ligands can show the, again along with cis and trans, the isomerism is a facial. Cis isomer can show the facial isomerism, and the trans one, they are meridional also. The cis facial or trans meridional isomerism is possible in case of MA3B3 N plus type of isomerism. If you consider the type of ligand, then in case of geometrical isomerism, all monodentate ligands are considered here. No polydentate or bidentate ligands are there. In case of geometrical isomerism, all the ligands are monodentate. Also, only square planar having coordination number 4 can show the geometrical isomerism, and coordination number 6, the geometry is octahedral, they can show the geometrical isomerism. Out of that, MA3B3 shows cis facial and trans meridional type of geometrical isomerism there. Then in case of optical isomerism, another type, this is your first type of stereoisomerism. Second is what? Optical isomerism. Second type, optical isomerism. So optical isomerism, the enantiomers shows optical isomerism. I told you what are enantiomers. Enantiomers, these are also called as enantiomorphs, or these are also called as optical isomers. So the enantiomers, that means these are the compound having non-superimposable mirror image relationship. So these can show the optical isomerism here. In case of homoleptic ligand can show the optical isomerism. We have seen the type MAA, that means these are the bidentate ligand. So in case of optical isomerism, along with monodentate, bidentate ligand also they can show the optical isomerism. So this is of MAA3 N plus type of compound. Then another one in which what happens, these are the homoleptic. In case of heteroleptic, again we have seen two more compounds. In case of heteroleptic ligand also the optical isomerism is possible, but heteroleptic ligand can show the geometrical isomerism also. And in geometrical isomerism, in heteroleptic complexes, trans isomers cannot show optical isomerism. They cannot show optical isomerism. Only cis can show optical isomerism here. Optical isomerism, OI. Why? Because cis isomers can show two compounds. In case of cis isomers, they can show the non-superimposable mirror image relationship. In trans isomerism, the mirror images are superimposable, so they cannot show the optical isomerism when the complex is heteroleptic. When the complex is heteroleptic, they are cis isomers also, but the cis isomers are optically active. Trans isomers are not optically active as their mirror images are superimposable. So this is just summary of stereoisomerism, geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Next time we'll see the structural isomerism. In this 4 types are there. I told you in the beginning, that is your ionization isomerism, then linkage isomerism, coordination isomerism and solvate isomerism. We'll see that next time.